Did you know that the EU's pharmaceutical regulations are among the most complex and stringent worldwide, with over 1,500 directives and regulations to navigate? Hi, my name is Steve Perrys, and together with our faculty director, we would like to invite you to our certified EU Pharmaceutical Regulations and Compliance program. To begin our course, you'll gain a comprehensive understanding of the intricate EU pharmaceutical regulatory landscape, covering critical aspects such as marketing authorization procedures, quality management system requirements, good clinical practice regulations, good vigilance practice standards, and good manufacturing practices. Next, we'll guide you through the entire drug approval process, from clinical trials to post-marketing surveillance, equipping you with the knowledge to navigate regulatory complexities and ensure compliance. Throughout the program, you'll delve deep into the technical intricacies of pharmaceutical regulations, mastering clinical trial requirements, risk management strategies, quality control measures, and drug safety monitoring mechanisms. Everything will be explained in detail as you progress through the course and move from the basics to the more advanced sections in this certified program. You'll even learn how to prepare regulatory inspections and audits, develop risk management strategies, and master pharmacovigilance requirements, all while exploring key pharmaceutical legislations. By the end of the program, you'll attain the industry-recognized certification in EU pharmaceutical regulations and compliance. This certification will boost your professional credential and validate your expertise in navigating the EU's complex pharmaceutical regulatory landscape. What's more, this certification has lifelong validity. So what are you waiting for? Enroll in our certified program today and take your pharmaceutical regulatory knowledge to the next level. Your future in EU pharmaceutical compliance starts here.